Well, welcome to 2024, the 4th day of January this Thursday. We're into it, off and running, looking forward to a great year. Hope many of you hope you all really had a great holiday time and were rested and enjoyed family and all the things that we do. That's not Gibb. You know that. That's E.J. O'Keefe. You know that also. Gibb's doing a little business this week. We're off and running here at HMC. But you saw yesterday the email that we sent out to you. Let's just summarize that again, what we did.
So from the fixed income piece, we're starting to lengthen out that duration, going from 3-month treasury bills into either 6-month treasuries and lengthening out in high quality investment grade corporate bonds, with the Fed signaling in December that they are nearing or at the end of their rate hiking cycle, and interest rate cuts should be coming in 2024.
We're doing that because if interest rates come down, duration in the longer bonds will get up, and we would then potentially have not only the yield, but we would have capital appreciation. That move is going to continue. We ultimately, if things continue as we believe they will, early in the January, certainly by, I would say, February, we would be out of the ultra short space, moderate in the 0 to 6 month space, and then more in the 3 to 5 year space.
Yes.
But we're going to do that over a gradual piece of time. The other piece of information we shared with you is that we moved a 10% position of the portfolio from cash to an equity weighting for those that were in equities, and that would suit an investment risk. Why did we do that?
Looking at where, with interest rates and the Fed signaling they're going to come down, positions in portfolios that can take advantage of lower interest rates. We talked on the show that's going to be different than what performed in 2023. And so we've positioned accordingly with either some value large cap sectors or some small and mid cap core positions with, again, rates coming down from what Jerome Powell said late December.
We talked on the radio show a few minutes ago about the market is broadening. So in that move, we added some new pieces to the puzzle. We've added a small cap opportunity. We have added some we will add some financial opportunities. We're adding some value opportunities and some industrial opportunities. We're going to take steps with that to slowly move back into the marketplace where we want to be in a balance, knowing each of y'all's tolerance where you are in risk. But we believe if we're doing it in the bond piece, we need to do it in the equity to give that an upside opportunity. Now, I think this year will possibly present something different than it has last year. Last year, we turned the portfolio upside down. We went to individual treasuries, we went to individual securities, and for the most part, we got very defensive in the stocks. We're now kind of broadening out. We will tell you this, you heard it on the 4th day of January. This will be what we still believe will be at the great possibility of an opportunity for growth in the market, but it has a greater opportunity to be a bumpy year.
There's going to be volatility.
Right.
With everything that's going on in the world that continues to go on, and then you add in an election year with politics as polarizing as they are, there will be volatility, but that presents opportunity when we can see it and adding to those positions when the market does give us volatility.
And if the Fed is going to ultimately reduce rates, you want to be in the market, which will mean we will have the ability, if we needed to and we sense we should, to get out of it. But our inclination as it sits right now, understanding we're going to have volatility, is we probably are going to be more willing to ride through some events unless we see data or economic information or something that says you just need to get out. So patience is going to be a key word for 2024 to look towards the end of the year opportunity.
It is.
We are grateful that you are with us. We are grateful for all the support you've given us and the nice comments that we had for so many of you over the holidays. We wish you a great 2024. We're looking at accounts on a regular basis. And if you have any questions, you can give us a phone call anytime you want to, but always know from our perspective to you, it is your money.
And your money matters.
See you next week.